WellaCooler claims to be America's #1 rated portable air conditioner. According to the website, it can cool rooms up to 550 square feet, drop temperatures to 60 degrees Fahrenheit in seconds, reduce humidity, lower electricity bills, and do it all without installation. Sound impressive, but is WellaCooler actually worth buying? Or is it another portable cooling gadget making promises that deserve a closer look? Before we start, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is for informational and educational purposes only. It should not be taken as shopping, legal, or financial advice. Always do your own research before purchasing from any online store or platform. Let's break it down. The website provides a customer support phone number, live chat option, and customer service contact information. That's generally better than many questionable online stores that provide only a generic email address. The site also clearly explains how the product is supposed to work, offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, and displays detailed product features rather than relying solely on flashy marketing claims. However, several concerns appear when you dig deeper. The biggest red flag is the domain age. WellaCooler.com was registered in June 2026, making it an extremely new website. When a company claims to be America's #1 rated portable AC, but its website was only recently created, that claim becomes difficult to verify. Another concern is the lack of independent reviews. The website showcases over 1,700 customer reviews and claims thousands of happy customers, yet there are currently no Trustpilot reviews available. When all positive feedback exists only on the seller's own website, it's difficult to independently confirm those experiences. Some of the performance claims also deserve caution. Statements like cools to 60 degrees Fahrenheit in seconds, cools any room in minutes, and 90% cheaper than traditional AC sound impressive, but the website does not provide detailed technical specifications, energy testing reports, or third-party certifications to support those figures. There's also a common pattern seen in many direct-to-consumer gadget stores. The product is marketed using proprietary names, such as FrostCore Technology, but little technical information is provided about what makes that technology different from standard portable air conditioners. That doesn't automatically mean the product won't work. Portable air conditioners can absolutely cool small spaces. The question is whether the real-world performance matches the dramatic marketing claims. So, what's the verdict? WellaCooler does not show enough evidence to call it a scam, and the presence of customer support information is a positive sign. However, the very recent domain registration, absence of independent review history, and bold cooling claims that lack third-party verification mean buyers should approach with caution. If you're considering purchasing, look for independent reviews, real customer demonstrations, and verified performance tests before making a decision.